name's Kat Jarvis, and welcome to my channel. And if you remember correctly, I am going through a decluttering phase. And this past week, I decided to clean off all the counters. And this is what they looked like before. After all the Christmas baking and all the holiday stuff, there was a lot of clutter that just needed to be picked up and put away. So I started with the kitchen sink area, and I actually got this part done already. You notice that I still left all my little knick-knack, my frogs. Anything that brings you happiness and that has an organized station about them and are neat and clean are not really considered clutter. Clutter is anything that's broken, jumbled mess, something you don't enjoy, and something that when you look at it you go, oh yuck. So I worked on that first, and now I'm going to do the two side counters and this counter over here and the kitchen table. And that's all I'm going to do for this week. So I'll meet you back here as soon as I get through. Okay, it's been a week and I've been decluttering the kitchen area, and show you what I've done this week. I cleaned up all the counters and organized them. And I also went through my small appliances and got rid of the ones that were either not working, I never used, or didn't work the way I wanted them to. And remember earlier when I said about taking care of other people's stuff and watching out for their feelings? You'll notice that half the table is clean and the other half is rather messy. That's because my husband's in town right now, and that's his mess, so he will go through it and organize it when he gets home. So that's basically is what I did for 1 week. Not much, just a little bit each day, but it's made a big difference. And when I put this stuff away, I checked expiration dates, got rid of anything that was expired, and I didn't worry about the cabinets above. I just put the stuff away because cleaning out the cabinets above is another job that we'll do later when we decide to declutter the cabinets. But right now we're just working on the countertops and tables, surface areas that people see when you first walk in, to make you feel better about yourself and think, yes, this looks better. I'm making progress. So we'll do a little bit more next week. I'll tell you what, next Friday, I'll tell you what I've done that week. So hope you enjoy this. I hope you continue this journey with me to clean away the clutter, and because things look so much better and it's so much easier to clean when there's not a bunch of stuff to move around. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and tune in next Friday. Give the little bell icon so you know where I'm going to be on. And we'll look forward to seeing you and look forward to a decluttered house by the end of the year. Alright, remember, dream big. Bye.